In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to open the App Store. Once we've opened the App Store, you want to select the search icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to click on the search bar at the top, and you want to search for WhatsApp, all one word. Once we've done this, it should be the top result, which will look like this, so we can tap into that. If you scroll down, you can see more information about the application. However, to install it, you want to scroll all the way to the top, and you want to click on the Get icon. However, mine shows the cloud icon because I've downloaded this in the past. Once the application has been installed, you want to click Open, and then it will open the application and you'll be greeted to this screen. So once you're ready, you want to click on Agree and Continue, and then you want to go ahead and enter in your phone number. Once we've done this, you want to click Next, and if you've already got an account, it's going to retrieve your information. However, you don't, and then you may need to continue the setup process. Once you've logged in and restored all of your data, you can go ahead and start using WhatsApp just as you normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.